Let me give you a few problems as a homework to make sure you are following these videos. So this is homework number one, in which you have to design, uh, you have to find out the design tensile strength of the tension member which is connected with bolted connections. So this is similar to the previous problem that we have solved, 2 and 1. So refer those problems when solving these homework questions. Okay. So in this question, of course, this question is from your previous examination, which is given by for 10 marks in May 2019. So in this question, you have to determine the tensile strength of a truss member, 175 10 mm thick, and the shorter leg is connected to the gusset plate. Shorter leg is connected to the gusset plate with 20 mm diameter bolts in one row. Number of bolts used is 5. Edge or end distance is 30, and pitch that you need to take is 55 mm. So find out the strength of the plate, or the strength of this angle section or the tension member in rupture, in yielding, and in block shear failure. And the least of those three values is going to be the uh, design tensile strength of that tension member. And coming to the problem number 2, this is also a similar problem. Compute the tensile strength of a section of 150, 115 by 8 mm 410 grade. Remember, if the grade of the steel is not given, you can just simply assume that grade of the steel is Fe410, because this is the usual grade of steel that we use, connected with the gusset plate as shown in this figure. In this question, you just need to find out what is the yield and rupture strength. That's it. Okay, so this is the case. The connection is of weld. This is a weld connection. And take care of the length of the weld and calculate them. Of course, this would the length of the weld will not be influencing this any of these values here. Okay, so this is welded connection. So come to the homework number 3. In this question, we need to find out only the block shear strength. That's enough. No need to calculate rupture in this. Just block shear, because this is the value that most people get confused when calculating. So just find out this value for this following section shown in this figure. So there are two bolts, and this angle is attached to the gusset plate with these two bolts anamata. 18 mm is the bolt hole diameter of the bolt kaadu. Okay, only hole yokka diameter adi, that is important here when calculating the block shear. And this B is nothing but pitch, and this 50 is nothing but edge distance E, pitch distance P, pitch P. Okay, so you know what is the expression for TBV, DB1 and DB2 block shear, and you find out. And remember, since this is an angle section, only one shear plane and one tensile plane is going to be there. And what is the shear plane? AB. So shear plane is AB. And remember, when you are finding the length of the shear plane, you have to only consider the length up to the center of the bolt hole B only. See here, only half of the bolt diameter is to be considered when calculating the length, up to only that point. Okay, and this would be shear tensile plane. What is that? BC. Okay, and you know what is the length of BC, and you can easily calculate what is the areas. Okay, that's no problem. And net area and gross area is going to be different. You have to take care of that. Okay, please refer the previous solved examples to solve this problem. That would be helpful for you, and check the answers for these values. And last number 4, question number 4 as your homework. This is also same tensile strength of an angle section of 175 10 mm of a roof truss is connected to a gusset plate of 16 mm thick. Don't worry about the thickness of the gusset plate, that has nothing to do with this. 4 number of bolts are used, 20 mm diameter size, and these are power driven rivets arranged in one row అంటే ఒకే రోలో. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 3లో కూడా these two bolts are arranged in a line in one row. Along the length of the member. So here you have to do these things, that assume shorter leg of the angle kept outstanding. Okay, 75 దాని లెంత్ అది అవుట్స్టాండింగ్ అయి ఉండాలి. అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ది సెక్షన్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు లుక్. దిస్ ఈస్ ది గసెట్ ప్లేట్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ 75 mm అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ 100 mm లెగ్ అటాచ్ అయ్యిందనమాట. ఓకే, and the gusset plate is thick enough against the bending stresses, so don't worry about that. And necessary data is to be assumed and a neat drawing has to be done. And this question is given for 14 marks in November 2019 in your examination. So try to solve these problems, and if you have any doubts, just ask me.